Hello everyone, this is CY once again. Thanks for joining my channel today. As we have announced in our previous video that we have become the official partner and distributor for Tree Bomber in Singapore, and we have received a shipment of our latest order, and we're going to show you product by product, the product that came from the product that actually manufactured by Tree Bomber. And for today, right, since I'm making a cup of coffee, so I'm just going to introduce a few things, right? Number one is I'm actually testing out their filter basket, right? This is a 22 gram filter basket. Right, I would say that this basket is I'm not too sure about the precision, right? But then I will probably be buying a microscope or some camera that's allow me to zoom in so that I can check the hole, right? So if you can see, right, the hole from camera view looks pretty pretty well cut out. This is from the back, right? And this is a 22 gram basket, and it also comes with an 18 gram. And of course, we have also asked our manufacturer to make a puck screen for our company, right? And this is the 1.7 mm thick 50 micron puck screen. So now we are fully in stock, and of course I'll be using the Forenzzato all ground to grind our coffee. And for the first unboxing, I've already unboxed the 22 gram filter basket, and I would also like to unbox the dosing ring, right? This is not the magnetized one, right, but the quality and finishing is really nice. This one is actually the stainless steel dosing ring, right? And why is this more unique is, of course, the weight of it. Even though it has no magnets, right, but if I put this on, you will know what I'm talking about, right? So you can see that dosing ring flush nicely with the inside of your filter basket. I will not say it flush totally, but I will say that the gap is minimal between the two. So you can see the finishing of this dosing ring, sorry. And of course it comes with right, okay, let me get the zoom, right. Okay, it comes with the Tree Bomber logo, right, as usual. So of course my Forenzzato all ground don't actually need a dosing ring to catch all the ground, but since I have it, I might as well just use it, right? So let me because I have set my Forenzzato to be adapted so that I can do it hands-free, right? But of course with the DS64, right, you can always put the dosing funnel on, right, and then you can dose directly, right? Right, so now you can actually dose directly without the coffee ground spilling all over the place. So this is for people who actually like to dose directly into the poly filter. So let's give it a try. Right, you can see how fluffy the ground is from Forenzzato all ground. So of course this is a 22 gram basket, so this is definitely underdose. So I will dose a little bit more. And with the dosing ring, I can sort of shake the coffee ground around inside the filter basket. You can see that everything is really very fluffy. Probably need a little bit more. right? I'll probably dose about 20 gram-ish, right? And of course we're going to do okay, so I'm going to bring you closer to see how the part prep is. So basically rest it on, and of course I'll be using our spinning tools, right? We are also installed with this spinning WDT tools. You can see it fluff up the coffee ground. Before that is already very fluffy, so in fact, if I get my coffee grinded by the Forenzato, I don't actually need to WDT. Right, so distribute, and then I'll be using my cookie press to press it down. Right, you can see it has sunken really deep inside. And then of course using our part screen, put it on top. Right, it is 58.5 mm, and then let's make some coffee, right? And for today I'm going to use our Milesto, right, EM19M3. The model is called Elaine. This is one of the best value for money machine you can get. It works much better than the Gajah Classic because this is a PID machine which actually has a temperature stabilized at 93 degrees Celsius. It's already PID enabled. The downside for this is you are not able to adjust the PID temperature, but it is kept constant at 93. And you can see that the whole machine is actually stainless steel, right? It comes with of course the brew button, right? If you flick the switch on, right, it will start to dispense water. And of course this second switch is for you to dispense hot water if you want to make an Americano, right? And of course the steam switch is on the other side. So let me push this in. Okay, the reason why it's rattling is because it's out of water. So let me get some water to fill it up. And the water tank is right at the back, which can be opened easily. Okay, usually I'll use a funnel, right, to prevent water from spilling. Right, okay, so now the tank is filled with water. And now you can see if I switch on the steam, and why is this called a dual boiler? Because as your steam is going on, you can actually brew coffee at the same time, right? So this is effectively a dual boiler, and the steam is extremely powerful. Right, so let us make some coffee. Let me put back the cover of the water tank. Clean up. Right, so let me get a cup. Right, so I have already prepared our coffee inside the portafilter, and then we can start to make coffee. And let's pour a shot. And one of the good feature about the EM19M3 from Milesto is actually the built-in illuminated LED light, which actually allows you to see your shot nicely without having to have extra LED light placed on the drip tray. So let's pour a shot. Yep, there's quite a bit of channeling. Right, wow, it's squirting everywhere. Let's purge the steam and then steam some milk. Right, it's almost ready. Okay, clean the steam tip, purge. Right, and then let's try to pull a latte art. Okay, it's a bit too thick.